Right, so I've already took them out the outer box because I wasn't sure what was in the box. And these are my Bluetooth headset, which I've just purchased from Amazon, and I'll stick a link in the video description. They're sold by a company called OPin, and I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. And it cost me just under £23. So not expensive and obviously not too cheap. So hopefully they're a good pair. I did check and there was quite a few reviews on them and I didn't see anything really bad about them. I think they had about 4.5 stars, which I thought was pretty good. I'll quickly just read out what it says on it. It says smart headset, and then on the side it says touch, sport, hi-fi, waterproof, breathing light, not sure what that's all about, and a big battery. It's 2,600 milliampere battery, which is quite good for a tiny little battery. Embedded microphone, true wireless stereo, comfortable fit, easy pairing. Hopefully it's easy pairing. So it should be good for making phone calls on as well. So you can listen to your music and obviously make phone calls or receive phone calls. So with that, come a bit closer and we'll do the unboxing. Alright, let's have a look, see what you get for your money. So you have the main body. We'll have a look at that in a minute. That'll probably be your charger. Get out of the way. So what's that say? Amazon. It's a thank you card. Yeah, got to be a thank you card, isn't it? Let's have a look on the other side. Yeah, dear customer, thank you for supporting us. You're welcome. So yeah, that's just a nice little thank you card. You've got your instructions. HBQ Q32 TWS. That's the model we have. Hopefully, anyway, it should be. Probably be in several different languages. Yep, move that out of the way. Let's have a quick look at this. Don't know what that's on there for. Take that off. Looks nice. Got two types of connections. One for discharging and the other little one for charging. And I'll open it up in a minute. Let's have a look at this. This would be a USB charger, would have thought. Probably about 500 mil, 600 mil, something like that. I guess. Out of the way. Let's have a look at this little baby here then. Like I say, it feels like a nice material. There she is. They look really nice, don't they? Let's have a look around. Okay, oh, they've got a little bit of plastic on them. So don't forget to remove that bit of plastic, it won't charge up properly. See that? Little film. We'll take them off, stick it back on charge. Oh look, it's flashing now. Right, okay, that's interesting. Has that one got one on? It's got one on, but I can't get hold of it. Turn it off. Get off. And that was charging. Oh right, that's it. So there's a little flashing blue light there. So they're both showing red. And what we're going to do now is obviously I'm going to have to charge it up, and then we're going to try and pair it to my phone. Or pair them, I should say. That looks really nice actually. Looking forward to trying them. Right, so I gave them a good charge. So they should work straight out of the box. So according to the instructions, all it says is you just take them out, turn on your Bluetooth and they will just connect. We will see. So immediately they start flashing, or one of them anyway. So that one now, I'm trying to make sure you get a good picture or image. Let me just unlock my phone, and I've got Bluetooth turned off, so I'm going to turn it on, and showing two devices there. Go into options, looking for available devices, and it comes up straight away. Look at that, that was really fast. So just click on that, pairing, connected. And that's it. According to that, that is done. Right, I can't believe how easy it was to pair them up. That's all I had to do. And if that didn't work, all you had to do is hold one in for 3 seconds, and apparently it will work like that. Obviously, you've got to make sure your Bluetooth is turned on first. Right, let's have a comfort feel. Yeah. Don't feel as though they're going to fall out. That's good. Pretend I'm jogging. Yeah, they feel really comfortable actually. I'm quite surprised how comfortable they are. Yeah, very comfortable. Right, what we're going to do now is play one of my videos. One I was playing earlier. And see if it can control it. Oh, it pauses it. See that? Pretty good. Both of them pause it, which is really good. Right, let's have a listen to a bit of music. Although I won't be allowed to let you hear this because it'd be copyright. See if it's any good. Oops, I forgot myself then. Right, so what do I think about them? I think they're excellent. Yeah, sound quality was excellent. You could hear a nice bit of bass, nice bit of treble. Very good. I found them very comfortable in my ears. You know, some people might not find them comfortable, but I found them very comfortable. They don't feel heavy. They don't feel as though they're going to slip out. I was quite impressed with how easy it was to pair them up. Once they're fully charged up, you just take them out, turn on your device that you want to Bluetooth it to, click on connect once it pops up with the right information, and away you go. They just pair up. You don't even have to press no buttons on these. If you have to, for whatever reason, you can just hold the button in for 3 seconds and it will start pairing again. But normally, as soon as you take them out of this box, the blue and red light starts pairing it. I thought it was really good. And the other thing I liked about these is once you push them back in here, like so, they start charging themselves up again, because this is a little charging bank. So that is what that USB is for. Say for instance you're out and about and your phone's starting to die on you, you can plug your phone, provided you've got the lead of course, straight into this, into the USB bit, and it will charge up your phone. I think that's a really clever idea. Considering the size of it, it's quite compact and small, so it fit neatly into your pocket. Basically, you can put it in your pocket and forget about it. And you're out and about, I want to have a listen to some music, just pop them out, pop them in your ears, and away you go. Or, oh damn, my battery's going flat, what am I going to do? Oh, I know, I've still got my lead, or I've got the lead for this. Plug this into your phone, charge your phone up while you're out and about. Excellent. 2 in 1. Yeah, very pleased. It definitely gets my thumbs up, and hopefully this video will get your thumbs up. And if it didn't, give me the thumbs down, and please subscribe. Oh, and I'll stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. Thanks for watching.